conciencia no te deja tranquila. Al ver llorar, tú tienes que llorar. Vaya, llora con...
Today we'll break down this Johnny Vasquez salsa pattern on 1. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. First, Johnny starts with the crossbody lead, clearing the line and changing places. And then the swap, stepping to the back and changing places from the left. And then another swap, but with a hook, stepping to the back, changing places, and doing the hook turn. Notice the technique. Watch it again. Hook with the right, step with the left, and then step with the right. Now he's doing a basic in place and holding for 5, 6, 7. Staying offline, waiting a full 8 count in place, and then a crossbody lead offline. 5, 6, 7. Watch it again, holding for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that this is a crossbody lead offline to the right. This is the preparation for the right pass afterwards. Watch it again, finishing the crossbody lead offline and then going around his partner from the right. Crossing to the back, front, side, and letting her pass. And then he does the half right and half left turn. And remember, in this video we are focusing on the men's steps. So this is Johnny who is turning half to the right and then half to the left while leading his partner, ending with a crossbody lead. Stepping in place, side open, clearing the line, and changing places. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.